for a minute. Oh, it's so pretty, Oliver. Should we put it in its house? Don't touch it, please.
Can you not yell at him while he's having...
He's got green dye all over his hands.
It's vinegar. Big deal.
Good job. You want orange? Okay. Let's do this one orange. Put it in. Good job. Now let's stir it up. Mommy help? Would you like Mommy to help you? Here, I'll help you stir it up like this. You gotta get the whole thing orange. Oh, wow. That one is so pretty. Look, it has magic color on it. Oh, my goodness. Where does it go? Show Mommy. Does it go right here? Okay, I'll scoop it out. Ready? Here it comes. Don't touch it. It's got dye on it. Here, watch it. Oh, good.
That one.
Blue kind? All right. Take the next egg.
Okay, get an egg.
Very good. Oh, boy. You dropped that one in. This one says Oliver on it. Oh, my goodness. Look at this bright blue egg you made.
Put this pink one back in and try to get it more pink.
That pink one didn't work very good, did it?
Instead of use the water method for the pink egg.
Okay, this one's ready. Where's its house? Right there? Oh, I'll do it. Thank you.
What a fun killer.
How am I a fun killer? I don't want him to have dye all over him. And we did another blue one? Should we do an orange one next?
Or green.
Or a green one? Now we have
We only got 3 left.
ones. Oh, Oliver, that is such a pretty one you made.
Want to put this one in the green?
Put that one in the green. Oh, hang on, I'll do it. Comes to its house. Oopsie, Mommy. Oh, no more blue, no more blue.
Let's do a green.
Green one. Put it in. Oh, good job, Oliver. It's such a pretty green, isn't it?
Want to do this one in orange?
Yeah, let's do another orange
No.
one.
Yellow?
Or a yellow one. We already have enough green. Here's our last egg.
You got this one too.
Oh, got that one you did. Okay, here comes the orange. Here comes the green one to its house. Here it comes.
You doing here? Do this one.
Should we mix it up? Mix it up. Mix it up.
You can do this last one orange.
Here's the orange dye.
Or pink. You want to do pink or orange? No. It's confusing because Daddy put the orange pill in the green cup because you couldn't tell them apart.
Oh, wow. This one is pretty.
Mom, do this.
You want to do one more orange?
Right?
Okay, let's do this one in this bucket. This one's yellow. Ready for it to go in its house? Tell me which one. Okay, here it comes. I can't believe I'm doing this one.
That could be holding there.
Could be. Okay, Mommy would like you to do one more orange. Oh, it's splashed out. This one says Elsie on it.
Kind of.
Is her eye? Oh, you're right. Her eye. Mommy put it in its house?
Well, let him do it.
Okay. It's just getting dye all over himself.
Doesn't do it. I don't know. Look. Doesn't hurt.
You want Daddy to get it out? Okay, Daddy will get it out. Should we try this cracked one just for fun to see what happens?
Sure.
He wants you to get that orange one out.
Oh, look at this.
We have 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 green.
You want to put this one?
Pink.
Put it in here.
Okay, we gotta get this. in there for a minute. Should we mix this one up now? Mix it up. Oh, this one's a pretty yellow. You want yellow in that one? Okay, here comes yellow. Whoa. And you want pink in that last one? Okay, here it comes. Watch out. Pink.
Good job.